My name is Iryna, and I am Ukrainian, but I've been living in Belgium for 20 years. Yesterday, a family from Odessa has arrived, and they're with us now. So we're here now with my mom and his family to try to register them and see how things will go further. But as you see already here, how many volunteers are helping. I think it's not only organizations, but just people passing by who would go buy breakfast or tea or coffee and help people. And the solidarity is enormous. It's really enormous, and I think it is because people feel how close it is. It's happening just next door. I mean, Kiev is 2 hours flying. The number of help offers I have been receiving is just unbelievable from all sides, from people I know, I don't know, I slightly know, groups, also in Poland and Romania, etc. It's just unbelievable. So we're really, really grateful for this.